This is a 2-pack of replacement 20-ounce mug lids that have a magnetic seal. I received this 2-pack to test for free. Normally it would cost you $14 for the 2-pack. They have not paid me for my review, and my opinion remains my own. They are compatible with certain name brand tumblers. So the listing claims these are BPA free, and they snap back and forth. They're held on by a magnet. So they feel like it's a sturdy fit, feels like it's sealed there. This slides back and forth a little bit less of a magnetic snap compared to the original. So this will snap, but it feels like it slides back and forth just a little bit easier. This guy, the original, takes a little bit more force to get in place. Now, for cleaning, you can put your finger in and pull this off. Same thing here. This magnet feels stronger. It feels like it's holding it on with more strength. This magnet certainly holds it on. You know, it's not falling off there, but it doesn't feel quite as strong. It's probably going to be fine. I'm going to turn it upside down with some liquid and we'll test that. Right, here's the tumbler with the name brand lid full of water. Turn that upside down. There was a tiny little drip of water coming out. If I shake it, I can get more water to shake out, but it's mostly contained in the tumbler. Let's try the replacement lid. All right, turn it upside down, tiny little drip of water. If I shake it, I can get some water to come out, but it appears to be contained within the tumbler for the most part. So performance-wise, I'm going to say that this lid here fits and seals essentially the same as the original lid. It might be, I don't know, it's with the water in there, this is just about as easy to get off as that guy there. So yeah, I'm going to say for all intents and purposes, there are some differences. You can feel the magnet is not quite as snappy, but functionality-wise, it appears to be equivalent. I'm going to run these guys through the dishwasher. I wash this piece separately from that piece, so just make sure it's dishwasher safe. Alright, these guys came through the dishwasher with no ill effects. So, replacement lids. They're there if you need them.